Hey, this is James with Adventure Pilot, and today we're going to be unboxing Adventure Pilot's latest device, the X7 Aviation Tablet. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. So first things first, we have the X7 Aviation Tablet, and it's a good bit smaller than the other Aviation Tablet by about 8.2 by 4.7 inches. Also included, we have our USB-C to USB-C cord, an extra serial number sticker, a USB-C to USB-A cord, we have our quick start guide, we have our screwdriver, we have our SIM key. Also included here is the mounting bracket and ball mount for the mounting bracket. So here on the device on the right side, we have our power button, we have our volume control buttons, and we have our mounting bracket screw port. On the left side, we have our USB-C charging cable and 2 more mounting bracket screw ports. Here on the bottom, we have our magnetic mounting bracket charging cable. And here on the top is removable to be able to access our SIM key. As you can see right here, by 2 screws you remove it, and you'll be able to remove the top to access your SIM card. And lastly, on the back here, we have our camera, we have our flashlight, we have our serial number sticker. Thanks for watching.